Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to stop YouTube from translating channel names and descriptions. So, actually this process is quite complex because we do need a third-party extension. But at first let me show you how does this work. For example, here we can search for Japanese channel, and it's just a simple thing, and we can, for example, enter this channel. Here I think that it's English channel, so is what I want to the difference here. But as you can see here, they have some Korean thing. As you can see here, they have half English, half I guess Korean, and here they have, as you can see, every single video in English. So now to disable that, at first we have to go into our Google account settings and click personal information here. Now scroll all the way down to general preferences for the web and click language. Here select the primary language for your primary language that you speak and you want to have your YouTube. After setting your language, search for the Auto Anti-Translate extension. Here open this Chrome Web Store and their Chrome Web Store. Here search for YouTube, and as you can see here, they have a lot of extensions for YouTube. It could be this first one, but it didn't fix the descriptions of the videos. So let's search for this one I've searched for earlier. It was YouTube no translation. Here YouTube we would have YouTube anti-translate, which is this default one, but we can search for this one. This is the one I've searched for, which is this YouTube no translation. And as you can see here, we can click add to Chrome and add the extension, and it will redirect us automatically to this Chrome extension web page. Here, to fix the descriptions, enable this description tab and audio tracks and titles. Here it should fix every single thing. Click reload all active YouTube tabs and it should be fixed now. Now all your channels and every single thing won't be translated. And if this still doesn't work, click clear cache. And now everything should be fine and fixed. If you have some questions, ask me in the comments below. Goodbye!